Rupa Goswami says that Krishna did marry the gopis. I mean, there's three categories of gopis in Vrindavan. There's the the already married gopis like Radharani and Lalita Vishaka, and Krishna had Parakya Bhav with them. And then there's a group of unmarried gopis like Danya. One is named Danya, D-H-A-N-Y. They're not married, and Krishna, they have an unmarried relation. They have intimate relationship with Krishna also, although they're not married to anyone else. And that's considered by Gandharva marriage. They met in the forest one day, and Krishna made a flower garland, and he put it on her neck, and she made a flower garland and put it on his neck. It's okay, now you're my wife, and you're my husband. So this is one. Then the third one is that the gopis, the sages of Dandakaranya, they worship Katyayani. And then Krishna became their husband by stealing their clothes. And that was like a Gandharva marriage also. But then acharyas say that later, after that, Krishna danced in the Ras with them. And then Yogamaya announced to everyone in Vrindavan, she said, "This year is a very good year to get all your sons married to gopis." And so when Purnamasi made that announcement, it was at the same time that Brahma stole all the cowherd boys and the calves. So for 1 year, all the young unmarried cowherd boys of Vrindavan were locked in a cave. And then Krishna expanded and became all those cowherd boys. So during that year, when Purnamasi said that all the unmarried gopis should get married, then Krishna married them as those individual sakhas. Very interesting. Ultimately, everyone is Krishna's wife, one way or the other. They're all his energies.